Hi all, it's Lisa with the Wheaton Public Library. Since we're all stuck at home, I wanted to show some simple DIY craft activities that you could do with items from around your house. Full disclosure, I am not super crafty, so all of the stuff I show will probably either be super simple or something I got from someone else. The first one I wanted to do was a DIY no-sew, I don't really sew, t-shirt bag. So this is kind of the final product. It's a nice little tote bag. And all you need is a t-shirt that you no longer want to wear and some scissors. And you can make this. And if you have more craft DIY skills than I do, you can also do some more fun things with it if you so choose. But I will show you how I make this. So to start, you will take the t-shirt that either you no longer wear, doesn't fit, or you're bored with as a t-shirt but don't want to throw away or has sentimental value, what have you. Full disclosure, I also have another one of the t-shirts that I will still wear, but this is the one that I'm going to make a bag out of. So first you will lay out your t-shirt, and then after you're done throwing the scissors, which you should actually not do, you will cut out the sleeves and the neck. So after you've gotten those how you like, and you can take your time and clean those up a little bit if you so choose, change the width of the straps, however you want to do that. But after that's done, you'll turn it inside out, and on the bottom, start cutting little strips. So however deep you want to make the bag, just cut down the strips. And as you cut, or when you're finished cutting, then you will go through and tie each strip, which will be used to close the bottom of your bag. That is the no-sew t-shirt tote. Very little technical difficulty. If you have something better that you can do with it, please go for it, and also let us know. You can do probably some really cool things if you can do some basic sewing, or if you have a simple sewing machine, you can save some of the extra fabric to kind of decorate the sleeves there. But just one way to kind of upcycle some old t-shirts that you don't think you'll ever wear again. If you have any other cool upcycle ideas for your wardrobe that we can all work on from home, please let us know.